Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The long shelf life of honey is due to its low water content and acidic pH, which create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. This remarkable property has made honey a valuable and enduring food source throughout history. So, while you might have known that honey has a long shelf life, it's fascinating to delve into the science and historical significance behind this incredible natural product.